In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-admit participants on Google Meet and allow them to join without permission. Let's dive in and get started with these straightforward steps. To begin, you'll want to navigate over to Google Meet. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Google Meet, or simply search for it using your favorite search engine. Once you're at the Google Meet homepage, the next thing you'll want to do is sign in. You'll find the sign in button prominently displayed, typically at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your Google account credentials, which include your email address. Type in your email, and once that's entered, look for the next button to proceed. Google will prompt you for your password, so go ahead and type in the password associated with your Google account. Then hit that next button again to continue. With your account now signed in, it's time to create a new meeting. On the main screen of Google Meet, look for the button that says New Meeting. Clicking on it will give you a few options, and for today's purposes, select Start an Instant Meeting. This choice will quickly launch a virtual room where you can host your session. Once your meeting is up and running, you'll need to adjust some settings to enable automatic admission of participants. Look towards the bottom of your screen where you'll see a button labeled Host Controls. Click on that to open the Host Control settings. Within the Host Controls menu, you'll want to scroll down a bit until you find the setting for Meeting Access Type. This is where we can modify the joining permissions for participants. You're looking for a toggle option that allows you to choose the type of access. What you'll do here is simply toggle the option to Open. By switching this setting to Open, participants will be able to join the meeting automatically without requiring your approval. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can now efficiently manage your meetings on Google Meet, ensuring a smooth and seamless experience for all your participants without the hassle of manually admitting each individual. It's an efficient method, especially if you're running a large meeting or class. As always, making sure your Google account is up to date and secured with a strong password is important, especially when managing virtual meetings. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you facilitate more productive meetings in the future.